Welcome to a comprehensive guide on leveraging ChatGPT's AI capabilities to enhance your success in the stock market. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence has become a game changer in the world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, harnessing the power of AI can significantly impact your financial journey. Chapter 1: AI Market Insights. ChatGPT serves as your AI-powered market analyst, providing real-time insights into stock market trends and opportunities. Its ability to analyze vast volumes of data enables it to identify patterns and detect market signals that might elude human investors. By leveraging ChatGPT, you gain access to a treasure trove of data-driven information, helping you make informed decisions. Chapter 2: Smart Investment Strategies. AI-driven investment strategies are the future of wealth creation. ChatGPT can help you design and implement these strategies based on your unique financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether it's day trading, long-term investing, or portfolio diversification, ChatGPT can provide personalized recommendations tailored to your needs. It considers factors like historical market performance, industry trends, and company fundamentals to guide your investments. Chapter 3: Risk Management Tips. In the world of stocks, risk management is paramount. ChatGPT can assist in creating a risk mitigation strategy by providing insights into potential downsides and identifying opportunities for hedging. It can also help you set stop-loss orders and determine the appropriate allocation of assets in your portfolio to minimize risk. The result is a more balanced and secure investment approach. Chapter 4: Continuous Learning. The stock market is dynamic, and success requires continuous learning. ChatGPT is an ideal companion on your educational journey. It can provide explanations, definitions, and in-depth analyses of financial concepts, ensuring you stay updated with the latest trends and developments. Chapter 5: Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is your AI-driven partner in navigating the complexities of the stock market. Its capabilities in market analysis, investment strategies, risk management, and ongoing education can provide you with a competitive edge in the financial world. Whether you're looking to grow your portfolio, secure your financial future, or simply enhance your understanding of investments, ChatGPT is here to assist you. By incorporating ChatGPT into your investment toolkit, you're not only keeping up with the technological advancements in finance but also increasing your chances of making informed, profitable decisions. So, start your journey toward financial prosperity today, armed with the knowledge and capabilities of ChatGPT. Watch your investments grow and your financial goals become a reality.